Have you ever seen interesting words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? I think it's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Lone wolf. Sophie and Matt are excited for spring break from college. They are going to travel. So, Matt, any plans for your vacation? I'm going to visit my family in California. How about you? I'll be exploring some cities in Europe. I heard Ryan is going on a solo trip to Asia. Did you hear about it? Yeah, I was surprised too. Most people prefer traveling with friends or family, but not him. I wonder why he chose to go alone. It's such a long trip. Well, I've heard him mention before that he's somewhat of a lone wolf. I'm sure he enjoys it. Quiz time! What does lone wolf mean? Someone who works with animals? Someone who prefers to be alone? Someone who is always angry? Someone who doesn't have friends? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Someone who prefers to be alone. Teaching moment. A lone wolf is a person who prefers to do things on their own, without the company or assistance of others. They might enjoy solitude or feel more comfortable working independently. Lone is a word that means independent. Be careful because alone is very different. Alone means by yourself. Lonely is similar. This word is more about being sad. Examples. Sarah is a lone wolf. She often goes hiking by herself and enjoys the peace and quiet. Tim is known as the lone wolf at work because he always sits alone during lunch and never joins group activities. Julia is such a lone wolf. She prefers reading a book at home rather than going to parties. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Solo trip. Traveling alone, without companions. I wonder. I'm curious, and I think about it. Solitude. Peace and quiet. Goes hiking. Walks in the mountains, or something similar. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.